My name is Gloria Alvarez. I am from Colombia in South America and live in Langley, and I am a cancer survivor. I had a little ball kind of thing on my right breast, so I went to the doctor and he said, you know what, we better take a mammogram and even an ultrasound, and they say they didn't find it bad, but they were gonna do a biopsy. So it's when I found out it was cancer. They did some other tests. I went to an oncologist surgeon, and she noticed a lymph node as well on the arm. So they start to explore my other breast. I start chemotherapy for 6 months. I had 18 treatments. I had surgery. I decided to do mastectomy. I started radiotherapy. I was okay. I was feeling perfect a year and a half. I was training for a half marathon. I started to feel a little pain of my back. So I thought it was the shoes or maybe my matrix. And I went to the doctor. They say it was okay, maybe some muscle pain. I went to the physio, and the pain went away, and then it started again in another part on my waist. And then one day I woke up and it was so painful, and I had to go to the doctor, and he said, you know what, I think this is something serious, you better go to the emergency room. And I say, no, you know what, just give me the test and I will do it. And in a week, he said I had cancer on my bones and on my liver. It was quite serious. My liver was 95% compromised. I started radiotherapy, and it was very hard on me. My body was very weak. I lost 20 pounds, and I knew I wasn't gonna make it in that point. I started chemotherapy, oral chemotherapy, but I knew something I needed more than that because my body was so weak. I had a lot of swallowing. I was like 6 months pregnant. All my legs were swollen. It was kind of like bad when my husband and my sister heard about the Port Moody Integrated Medicine Care. They called, they make an appointment. They were so good at doing so fast. Like in 3 days, we had the appointment with Dr. Goom. And I remember her saying, after seeing all my tests and all my case, we are on time. I remember exactly the words. So it was very, very special for me. The following day, I started with my treatment, and the same day I was feeling better. She found us a new doctor that I'm so grateful for that as well, because they work together. It was like the light that I needed for me that time. I started going to the clinic 3 days a week. In a matter of 2 months, I was on the other side. I didn't lose more weight. I was eating good. In 6 months, my liver was almost recovering. I was going three days a week. I had IVs for vitamin C, for DCA and ALA, and also the oncotherapy. I was doing the chemo at the same time, so it was kind of like helping all the chemo to work better. My body was so weak that I was thinking that I wasn't gonna make it. I couldn't go to the washroom because I had my body so swollen, so they give me some pills for that, but then it stopped me to go to the washroom, and all other implication of that medicine that wasn't help my body. So with the treatment at Port Moody, it will help me to be strong, and also to relieve those medicine that I had to take because of the side effect of the medicine that I was taking. When you have a doctor, you kind of like rely on the doctor everything because you don't know about medicine. I would recommend to patients that just got diagnosed with cancer to not rely on just the doctor, to see another opinion, even just to make sure your treatment is the right thing, if your body needs something else, even the nutrition. Usually you ask the doctors, what kind of food should I eat? Do I need to eat something more? They say no, it doesn't matter, it doesn't affect your body, and we know it affects. When a doctor really tell you, okay, this is what you need to eat, is make a difference. And even now, I've been changing more and more my diet with her advice. When you hear the word cancer, it's kind of like you're gonna die. But no, I am here, so I know that you can do it, you can work hard, take care of yourself kind of thing. Like exercise and going outside and all of the things that maybe you know, but nobody tell you, okay, this is really important. It's not like, okay, sometimes I go for an exercise. No, like Dr. Gurm say, it's very important every day. Even 20 minutes outside is great. I feel so grateful. Not just because the knowledge of Dr. Gurm and all the people that work there, but you kind of feel like they are, they know what you are going through, and they really give you kindness, and they really know what you are feeling kind of thing. My father is a doctor, so he wasn't very into the naturopath medicine. He was worried about me mainly doing something that wasn't gonna work. Now he really believes in that, for sure. The love of the family being there for you, like, is very important, and you have to let them be with you, kind of thing. My experience was telling me and learning that you need to tell everybody, because the more love, the more help, the more the people being there for you, you feel blessed, for sure.